I would like to share your experience here at the last panel discussion that you were just moderating.
Uh, okay. I'm not-
Oh, that's okay, we'll
yeah,
edit
that's
it.
fine. Yeah.
We'll edit it.
Well, we with this time in comparison to last year's the inaugural conference, this time I found these sessions were much more focused, much more technical, much more addressing to the needs and issues of the association management. Particularly, for the first time, we included the discussions on chapters, and that was, fortunately, thank you very much for inviting me. That was the session for setting up the chapters, opportunities, and challenges which I participated. One of the key issues, of course, we had limited time on hand. One of the key issues which needs to be answered by all, and the panels over here, and then which needs to be carried back home is it worth spending 50% of what you receive as overheads in the associations? I was speaking to my fellow speaker and I happened to ask him that what are the kind of overheads you consume internally for running the affairs of an association? And he told me it's 50%. That's phenomenal. I was reading an HBR report of 2010, and then it says the world benchmark is 24%. So we are good 25% above the world benchmark. And that leaves, I think, a lot of opportunity and much of task to be done by the association management companies, which are much more professionally geared to take up these tasks, help these tasks, or provide these kind of services in a much more efficient manner. And that's what message I'm carrying back as such.
That's great. Another question, just a last question. How has your experience been? You are a known client of CIM, you've been working with us, and now we've launched this platform for India Association Congress. You were part of the first edition as well as the second, and we continue to have a long association with ASME. What is your feedback on the company per se and our ideology and methodology that we work with to bring common problems together for the benefit of everybody?
I think one of the abilities of CIM Global as an organization is, if that's what you wanted me to focus on, is my experience with CIM Global as the recipient of its services has been that the hand-holding has been extremely good. The not only the managing of affairs as such, but then understanding of the sensitivities of the membership organization, the technical nature of activities involved is not an easy task, and CIM has done a pretty great job in the first time itself, and we look forward to having a great association going forward as such.
Thank you so much for your kind words, Mr. Sharma. It's a pleasure. We look forward to your continued support and with all our endeavors together. Thank you for being here.
Continued, and then even more value offerings in the future conferences by Indian Association Congress.
Please enjoy yourself. Thank you.